Today I got my hands on the new OnePlus 13R, the new flagship killer. It has got a premium matte glass finish, which gives it a really premium look. It has a 6.7-inch massive AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It has got 1600 nits peak brightness. It has got a massive 6000 mAh battery and 80-watt SUPERVOOC charging, which charges 0 to 100% in just 26 minutes. It has got an Apple-inspired dynamic island, which works decently. It has got a main 50-megapixel camera, a telephoto camera and an ultra-wide camera, which works very decently. It also has AI features like Circle to Search by OnePlus AI. This flagship killer comes in 42,000 with instant bank discount, will cost at 39,000. The base variant is value for money variant, as it has 12 GB RAM with 256 GB storage. The top variant has 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage.